Ready, 1, 2, 3, woo! Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well today. Ava, say hi! Hi! Okay, so Ava and I are gonna take a little trip to our mailbox. I got a notice that a shipment that I've been waiting a very long time for has come in. And I thought today I'd do a little bit of an unboxing because this is one of the times I've done an order late at night and I have no idea what I ordered. I'll probably order junk or stuff that I don't need. So I thought that it'd be kind of fun for both of us to open the box together and see what we have. Okay, we are at our mailboxes. I got my keys. All right, I got my mail, got my packages. Let's hand sanitize and go back home. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing of an order that I placed quite a long time ago with Shoppers Drug Mart online with their beauty line. And it's one of those times that, I don't know if this has happened to you, you've placed an order and then you don't remember placing the order and then you don't have any idea what you ordered. I tried to look at my emails to find what this is. So I thought that this would be a kind of a fun video idea for us to open this and see what goodies we have inside. Wow. It's my makeup kit. I don't even want to show you the inside. It's, oh, gross. And there's a lot of stuff in here, as you can see, that I probably haven't used in ages. Like this palette, I think I got this in like a FabFitFun box ages ago. I have some bronzers that are probably past their shelf life. So kind of excited to see if I have any products that are new that I can help replace some of these old scuzzy items. Wow, thank you. Now a big disclaimer to everybody. I am in no sense of the word a beauty guru, a makeup artist. If I ever do a makeup tutorial on here, don't follow it. I really am not one of those beauty gurus that I watch online for hours and I study them and I think that they are amazing. It truly is an art. That's not me. I'm a mama of this little munchkin here. So I need stuff that's quick and easy that'll bring me back to life. Okay, go get your bouncy ball. I need products that'll help bring me back to life when I'm waking up early in the morning, if I haven't slept well, so I can play. Oh, it's heavy. Sorry guys, mom life. So before we get into the video, my name is Angela, and if you're new to my channel, we do videos on all things to do with mommy and lifestyle. I offer you tips and tricks and recipes, and especially activities that I do to keep this little munchkin entertained. So hit that like and subscribe button down below so that you don't miss out on any content coming up. You got your bouncy ball in there? Awesome. All right, so I have a brand new clean makeup kit here. I think it's, I don't even know where I got, oh, it's Kate Spade, how fancy. So I thought that I'd put the new products in here so I don't get them dirty in my old case. So without further ado, I'm really excited to see what we got.
Mommy.
Wow, okay, now you don't touch those, okay?
Mommy, open.
Are you excited? Ooh! Oh, Eva, watch out! Watch that little noggin! Okay, it looks like I got quite the haul here. So, let's dive into the first product. And Ava, uh-oh. She's getting into my old makeup. Ava, why don't you get your makeup brushes? Ava loves playing with my makeup brushes, so for Christmas, show everybody, come here. So for Christmas, Santa brought her her own makeup brushes. Show everybody your makeup brushes. Here, should we pull this one out? Ready? Oh, show everybody, look. Wow, so pretty. So then Ava can do her own makeup when mommy does hers. And then Ava doesn't take my makeup brushes that have stuff all over them and smear it all over our carpets, right? Wow, that Santa, he's pretty smart. Okay, so first item, oh, okay. I ordered some Glasses? So I ordered some eyelash curlers. I have been eating some eyelashes and then I always forget about it. It's just an extra step that I got rid of when I had Ava because you know what? Especially new moms and like first time moms, who really has time to curl their eyelashes? I don't. So this is just an extra step. I heard good things about this eyelash curler, but I think that I may introduce this and bring it back to see if these eyes will open up a little bit more. What's next? Okay, staying with the eyes. Okay, I did see this product. I remember this now. It is the CoverGirl Professional Mascara in Very Black. It's a straight brush. Oh, it's a straight brush, volume plus length plus definition mascara. I'm one of these people, I've tried like high-end mascaras. Okay, just wait. Just wait. Thank you.
Sister Prince.
I always go.
Prince with my.
You're so funny. I'm not fussy when it comes to mascara. I've tried high-end mascaras. I've tried drugstore brands. I always go back to the drugstore brand, but I am excited to try this to see. So I'll let you know. Okay, can you put this in the bag for Mom? Oh, thank you. Okay, so this is, okay, brows. So let's talk about brows. I've never had good brows. I over tweezed in junior high and I don't think they've ever like fully recovered. I also have a scar on this eyebrow from when I was little and I've never had nice eyebrows. Ava has really nice eyebrows, as you can see. And I do not. Obviously right now, my eyebrows are overgrown caterpillars. I look like Ernie, or is it Bert? I think it's Bert. I think Bert has the unibrow. I have a unibrow. I will admit it. I have been using this, so this is a repurchase for me. It is the Rimmel Brow This Way. And I really like this. This is in the color medium brown. There's a little bit of wax and then some powder to color it in. I have my own angle brush, so I don't ever use the brushes that they give you in these packages. So I just fill them in and I don't spend a lot of time. I probably should. I heard like the eyebrows like really frame the face, so maybe I should look into that. Okay, next. Oh, I did not order this. This is a wrong. No, they've put this wrong. No, I for sure did not order this. These are not my colors. Purples? Maybe I'll give this to somebody. I don't know. Next up. Ooh, yeah, I've heard a lot about this. This is the Milani Rose Glow Stellar Lights Highlighter Palette. I thought this was beautiful. I think I saw somebody talk about this highlighter palette, how it gives you like that nice glow. And I probably just wanted to pretend for a minute that I had a glow like J-Lo. It is beautiful though, especially that color. It'll be like nice and beachy. Okay, I'm excited for that. So I've had like the same face skincare routine for years. I have used the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel, which I think I ordered. Oh, right. So on Shoppers, they were out of the big pumps that I usually buy. They only had a travel one, so I thought I'd just get this for now. Oh my gosh, I've always wanted to do this, guys. I'm so cool right now. But I love this. I'm really oily, and sometimes I feel like I have the skin of a teenager. I am not a teenager. Can you tell? I'm so oily, but then I can be dry. I still get breakouts, and I find that this gel is lovely. It really, really doesn't feel like it's too heavy, or you know, sometimes when you put on like a really heavy moisturizer and then it just feels like an oil slick. No, this is great. Okay, moving on. Let's stay with Clinique. Okay, so I am excited about these. I forgot I ordered these. Ooh, okay. This is the Clinique Pop Splash. And I saw these colors and they looked gorgeous. So it is a lip gloss and a hydration all in one. I do wear lipstick, but in the summertime, I always just like a nice like wash of color, a nice sheen. So this color is the Rose Water Pop. Look how beautiful that looks. Isn't that gorgeous? Great. Okay, and then the next color is, which one is this? Ooh, Air Kiss. Oh, I can't remember what this one is. Let's see. Oh, if I could get into it. Okay, well now, if this doesn't scream summer, I don't know what doesn't. Isn't that beautiful? It's not, it's coming out quite pink on camera, but it's actually quite peachy. Yeah, like that. I'll let you know how that goes. Okay, some other products that I ordered, which I'm very excited about. I love Stila products. I really do. I am a dancer, and I've danced since I was 3 and professionally as well. And I had this makeup artist once use this on me. It's the Stila Stay All Day 10-in-1. This is the HD Illuminating Beauty Balm, but they also have a few other different kinds of this. And I usually use this as a primer, and it stays on so well. And it makes my skin feel really nice. So I didn't repurchase this because I've used this for, gosh, probably like 5 years now. But I got a couple other products to try. So I got this Stila One Step Correct. The Stila One Step Correct Skin Toning, Correcting, and Brightening Primer. So I need a new primer, but I just noticed lately, like my skin, I just feel dull. It's dull, I can feel it changing. So I thought that this would be good. The Skin Tone Correcting and Brightening Primer. Cool. Okay, then for foundation, lately I've been using the Clinique foundation, but I've heard some really good things about this one. This is the Stila Stay All Day Foundation and Concealer in one product. Now, note, I picked a foundation from online. I've never done that before. And I try to go a little bit darker, knowing that like summer is right around the corner, and I do go a little bit darker. I tan quite easily. My mom always says I turn like green in the winter, and then I go nice and brown in the summer. So, but look at this. So, okay, let's see, how do we open this? Ugh. Oh, okay. You open the top, and there's your concealer. You twist it. Oh, you like pump it. Okay, cool. I don't know, it looks a little bit too dark for me right now. This is in the shade Light 3. Oh, maybe not. Okay, I'll give this a try, and I'll let you guys know how it is. And the last Stila product, this is honestly the best eyeliner out there. I'm so glad I ordered a new one because I needed one desperately. This is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I have used this for maybe even 8 years. This is so good. The tip of it is nice and sharp and precise, but it's still like sturdy enough that it doesn't bend. I am no winged eyeliner pro by any means, but this helps. Okay, so that's all the face products. Then moving on, it looks like I got some hair products. So let's talk about hair. My hair, forgive me, is a mop. I usually have like a short pixie cut, and the last time I got my haircut was in February. Now, when this all happened and the pandemic started and then we went into quarantine, I was due to get my haircut. I've had to wait. Obviously my roots, I'm not a natural blonde, which is just fine. And then I was starting to think, well, maybe I should grow it out to like a bob, or try to grow it out to a bob. So I'm trying, I'm like pulling on it every day. I got this great leave-in conditioner the other day. It's the Marc Anthony, oh, what is it called? Because I just got the shampoo, it looks like. The Marc Anthony Grow Long leave-in conditioner. So I had no idea that I bought this. But apparently I liked it, so I got the Marc Anthony Grow Long shampoo and conditioner. Now, I don't know if this is helping me to grow my hair long, but the leave-in conditioner does make my hair feel really nice, especially at the ends. I do use a hair straightener. Most days I do blow dry my hair. I have to shampoo my hair every day. I'm not one of those people who can like go days. When I had longer hair, I could, but with short hair, I just find it just looks so oily, and I just hate the way it feels. So we're gonna give this a try. What's the smell test? Ooh. Well, that smells really nice. I got some clear, dry shampoo. I got some the other day when I went grocery shopping. Oh darn, I forgot. Don't tell Merrick. Okay, so this is the Marc Anthony clear dry shampoo. This is the best shampoo. You can't see it. It doesn't leave your roots like gray. I bought a Dove one in my last was it my last grocery haul? Yeah, I bought a Dove one in my last grocery haul. It smells so good, but I do notice it leaves my roots a little bit darker. So this one is great. Well, it looks like that's it. The box is empty. The mystery has been solved. I now know what products I got. Hi, little Miss Muffet. All right, guys, thanks so much for tuning into this video. I hope that you enjoyed seeing me unbox this surprise Shoppers Drug Mart beauty order. And I'll let you know if some of these goodies worked and which ones I liked and didn't like. Okay, have a great day. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.